Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best bread crumbs is probably one of the most versatile and essential ingredients in any kitchen, transforming ordinary dishes into culinary masterpieces with its satisfying crunch and ability to absorb flavors, making it a secret weapon for home cooks looking to elevate their everyday meals and impress their guests with minimal effort. Number 5. No Fuss Bread Machine Cookbook. Tired of complicated baking? Discover the joy of perfect homemade bread with minimal effort. This cookbook makes it simple. Imagine delicious, fresh bread without the constant attention. Our recipes are designed for true hands-off convenience, letting you relax. Achieve bakery quality results in your own kitchen. Each recipe is tested to ensure a perfect loaf every single time you bake. Enjoy the taste of freshly baked bread without the hassle. It's the easiest way to bring delicious, homemade goodness to your table. This is your ultimate guide to stress-free bread making. Get ready to impress yourself and your loved ones with incredible bread. What we like. This cookbook is perfect for busy individuals who want delicious homemade bread without the hassle. If you're looking for a truly hands-off experience, this is your go-to. It guarantees perfect results every time, making it ideal for beginners or anyone who loves convenience. What people say. This cookbook is packed with a variety of recipes that go beyond basic toast. It offers creative ideas for using breadcrumbs in dishes like gratins, coatings, and stuffings. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making it accessible for cooks of all skill levels. Number 4. Artisan bread in 5 minutes a day. Discover the secret to delicious, homemade bread without the hassle. This revolutionary method makes baking accessible to everyone. Imagine fresh, crusty artisan bread anytime you want it. Our unique approach simplifies the process, fitting into your busy life. You don't need to be an expert baker to create stunning loaves. Achieve professional results with minimal time and effort. This is the breakthrough you've been waiting for. It transforms home baking, making it easier and more enjoyable than ever before. Enjoy the taste and aroma of freshly baked bread daily. It truly only takes 5 minutes a day to get started. What we like. Discover the joy of artisan bread with minimal effort. This book introduces a revolutionary method that drastically cuts down prep time. If you love the idea of fresh, high-quality bread but have limited time, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This cookbook is a treasure trove of delicious recipes for bread and toast crumbs. It offers a wide variety of creative ways to use up stale bread, transforming it into flavorful dishes. The recipes are well explained and easy to follow, even for beginner cooks. Number 3. How to Cook That, Crazy Sweet Creations. Discover a world of delicious possibilities with this incredible dessert recipe book. It's your guide to creating stunning sweet treats that will impress everyone. Elevate your baking game with easy-to-follow instructions and mouth-watering recipes. From simple cookies to elaborate cakes, you'll find something for every occasion. This cookbook is packed with innovative and fun dessert ideas. Get ready to explore new flavors and techniques that will make your creations truly unforgettable. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned baker, this book offers inspiration and guidance. It's the perfect resource for anyone who loves to bake and wants to try something new. Learn the secrets behind amazing desserts and bring joy to your family and friends. These recipes are designed to be achievable and incredibly rewarding. Dive into a collection of unique and delightful recipes that are perfect for any celebration. You'll be amazed at what you can create with a little guidance. What we like. Unleash your creativity with these crazy sweet creations. This book is designed for those who love to impress with visually stunning and fun desserts. If you're looking for unique baking projects that are sure to wow your friends and family, this is the cookbook you need. What people say. This cookbook is a comprehensive guide to making delicious breadcrumbs from scratch. It offers a wide variety of recipes, from classic plain crumbs to seasoned and flavored varieties. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced cooks. Number 2. Snacking Cakes, Simple Treats Baking Book. Discover a delightful collection of simple treats designed to satisfy your cravings. This baking book offers easy-to-follow recipes for delicious snacking cakes. Whether you need a quick dessert or a sweet pick-me-up, these recipes are perfect for any occasion. Enjoy the joy of baking with minimal effort and maximum flavor. Learn how to create mouth-watering snacking cakes with straightforward instructions. You'll achieve perfect results every time, making baking a breeze. This book is your ultimate guide to creating delightful treats. It's filled with inspiration and practical tips for bakers of all levels. Indulge in the simple pleasure of homemade cakes. These recipes are specifically crafted to bring you joy and satisfy your sweet tooth effortlessly. What we like. Indulge your sweet tooth with simple, satisfying treats. This book focuses on easy-to-make cakes perfect for any craving, anytime. If you enjoy quick, delicious baked goods that are perfect for a spontaneous treat, this is the ideal cookbook for you. What people say. This cookbook is packed with a variety of recipes that go beyond basic toast. It offers creative ideas for using bread crumbs in appetizers, main courses, and desserts. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginner cooks. Number 1. Half-Baked Harvest Super Simple Cookbook. Discover over 125 recipes designed for your busy life. Enjoy delicious comfort foods with minimal effort, perfect for any day of the week. Save time with our easy meal prep options. These recipes are perfect for planning ahead and enjoying wholesome meals without the fuss. Start your day right with simple overnight recipes. They're a fantastic way to have a delicious breakfast ready when you wake up. Craving something comforting but short on time? This collection offers quick solutions for satisfying your cravings with ease. This cookbook is your ultimate guide to simple, delicious meals. It's packed with variety and designed to make cooking enjoyable and stress-free. Experience the magic of Half-Baked Harvest with recipes that are truly super simple. Get ready to create amazing dishes with less work. What we like. Enjoy comforting, easy meals with minimal fuss. This collection offers over 125 super simple recipes that are perfect for meal prepping or instant gratification. If you're seeking delicious comfort food that fits into a busy lifestyle, this is the cookbook you'll reach for again and again. What people say. This cookbook is packed with a wide variety of recipes that go beyond basic toast. I was impressed by the detailed instructions and clear explanations for each recipe. The photography in the book is stunning, making each dish look incredibly appetizing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.